The morning train is completely quiet. People are scrolling on their phones, avoiding eye contact, just another normal commute. Then suddenly, one guy tilts his head back. His eyes close, his nose twitches. The man sitting next to him slowly looks over and realizes something terrible is about to happen. The tension builds. Passengers start noticing, and then, achoo! The sneeze explodes through the train like a cannon. One guy drops his phone. A woman instantly slides a few inches away. Someone in the corner looks around in pure confusion. The sneezer wipes his nose, sighs dramatically, and relaxes. And the whole train is left thinking the same thing. Was that a sneeze or a natural disaster?